Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and maybe some of you remember something from a long time ago on Android particularly, and it now is going to come back. If you wanted a game that drives you crazy, Flappy Bird was the hit of the town in 2012, 2013-ish, and it actually downloaded 100 million times. So what happened is that the owner of the game, the creator of the game, was overwhelmed by the fame that this actually brought him. So he kind of removed the game and decided to retreat and kind of take care of himself. And now he's back, and he says that in 2025, yes, the return of Flappy Bird is going to be there. So this is a game that can drive you completely nuts. You got to pass a little bird between green pipes. A very simple game, and I think that's why the game actually caught up. But this is interesting to see that it will be back. It'll have new levels, including a easier level than there was before, apparently. So if you wanted to play Flappy Bird, if you remember this game, it will be back. For now, I'll share this web page where you've got a online playable version of Flappy Bird. Try to make it, through, and hopefully you'll make better than 4. And just making 4 is already kind of a record for me. So I'll share this link if you want to play online, but it will be coming to Android and to iOS iPhones in 2025. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.